a classic song for you. Hanap tayo. Gusto niyo ba ng My Way? Oo, laming takot dito eh. Alam niyo pagka nagkakaraoke, every time na may mga event or may mga kasiyahan, pag may karaoke, ingat na ingat nila kantahin na ito, guys. Oo, alam niyo ba yung title ng song? Yung My Way ni Frank Sinatra. Okay, let's do this. My Way, Frank Sinatra. And now the end is near, and so I face the final curtain. My friend, I'll say it clear, I'll state my case, of which I'm certain. I believe a life that's full. I travel each and every highway and more, much more than this. I did it my way. Regrets, I had a few, but then again, too few to mention. I did what I had to do, and so withdrew without exemption. I planned each charted course, each careful step along the byway, and more, much more than this. I did it my way. Yes, there was time, I'm sure you knew, when I beat off more than I could chew. But through it all, when there was doubt, I ate it up and spit it out. I faced it all, and I stood tall and did it my way. I've loved and cried. I had my feet, my share of blues, and now as tears subside, I find it all so amusing to think I did all that, and may I say, not in a shy way. Oh no, oh no, not me. I did it my way. For what is the man? What has he got? If nothing still, then he was not to say the things he truly feels, and not the words of one who kneels. The record shows I took the blows Ayan na. Huminto na. Alright, okay. Reset na muna natin to tablet.